So in today's class, we are going to learn about geostationary satellite and polar satellites. The first one is what? Geostationary satellite. So do you know the definition of geostationary satellite? Yes? Do you know the definition of geostationary satellite? Hello?
Sir, satellites used for tracking environmental properties.
Yes. That application is right only, but what is the definition? When we can say that it is a geostationary satellite? Yes, Nisha, right. What is that? If
Whose
time
time?
period of revolution is equal to time period of Earth, है ना? तो कैसे लिखेंगे देखो, see here. If the time period of revolution of an artificial satellite is equal to the period of rotation of Earth, then such a satellite is called geostationary satellite. ठीक है? Yes, very good Anirudh. It rotates from west to east. Very good. तो चलो थोड़ा सा डायग्राम देखेंगे कि कैसे रोटेट होता है. यहाँ पे आप देखो, ये है अर्थ, राइट? एंड नाउ दिस इज व्हाट the path of the satellite you can see here. So see here, this is a satellite. ठीक है, ये है अर्थ और ये है सैटेलाइट. और ये जो सैटेलाइट है कैसे घूमती है? हाउ इट इज मूविंग? वेस्ट टू ईस्ट लाइक दिस. ठीक है, इन दिस डायरेक्शन. अगर हम इस एक्सिस की बात करेंगे तो यू सी हियर, दिस इज नॉर्थ, साउथ, वेस्ट एंड ईस्ट. तो ये ऐसे घूमेंगे, है ना, इस तरफ से. क्लियर है?
Yes, sir.
And if we will see the rotation of Earth, already I told you, if this is an axis, then Earth will rotate about this axis with angular velocity omega. Yes, no? That is also from west to east only. Clear hai? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Right. Any doubt? Understood? So first of all, if the time period of revolution of an artificial satellite is equal to the period of rotation of Earth, means exactly how much? 24 hours. If a satellite completes one revolution in 24 hours, then that satellite, we can say it as a geostationary satellite. Is that clear? Understood?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, no? Now,
Yes, sir.
so first of all, let's see conditions. Number one, that is height of the orbit. Height of the orbit above the Earth's surface is about 35,800. Means nearly we can say 36,000 kilometer. ठीक है? Okay. How we are going to calculate this, sir? How we will say that the height of orbit is this much only? तो देखो, चलो देखेंगे थोड़ा सा. Let us suppose this planet is this satellite is having mass small m, and this Earth as usual having mass capital M and its radius is capital R. Now, can I say like this? Centripetal force of satellite is equal to gravitational force. What is that? Gravitational force. ठीक है? Now, centripetal force formula is what? Who will tell me? Yes, anyone? Centripetal force ka formula?
mv square by r.
Very good. mv square by r. But here mv square divided by r plus h hai ki nahi? Yes, no? Because this from center to satellite is r plus h. Agree with me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now we know v is equal to r omega. So therefore v is equal to what, Ray? R plus h into omega. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Now who will tell me v square value? Bolo bolo, v square value. Huh?
r plus h whole square omega square.
Very good. R plus h square omega square. If I will substitute here, what I am getting? M omega square r plus h whole square divided by r plus h. This r plus h and this square will get cancelled. So what I am getting formula? M r plus h omega square. Yes or no? Yes?
Yes, sir.
sir.
Understood.
Yes, sir.
Centripetal force. Clear hai?
Yes, sir.
Somewhere at corner you write down this all, because I am going to write direct this formula. So how you got this? You write somewhere at corner. Finished? Note down fast. This part at corner somewhere, because I am going to erase this and I will write again this value and gravitational force formula and I will cut it. So first you write down it, this somewhere at corner. Okay.
Sir, please continue, sir.
Yes, finished.
Yes, sir.
So now this part I am erasing. Okay. Now here you see I am writing m. बोलो क्या लिखूं? m omega square r plus h is equal to gravitational force बोलो g m
M by R square.
r plus
GM
h.
by R
R
square.
plus H whole square.
Very good. Now this m and this m cancel. Okay. Now what I am getting? R plus h whole cube is equal to gm by omega square. Now omega is equal to what rate? 2 pi by t. Substitute karo. What you are getting? gm divided by 2 pi by t. So shall I do one thing? Instead of writing like this, I will square it. 1 by omega square is equal to t square by 2 pi whole square or 4 pi square. Can I write like this? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
तो क्या मैं ऐसे लिखूं यहाँ पे t square divided by 4 pi square. Okay. Yes or no?
Sir, once again explain that step, sir.
gm divided by which step, Ray?
Sir, that one squared on both sides. Sir.
Okay. This step, okay. I will repeat one more time. Wait. From here, I will repeat. Okay, listen carefully. Now see, next step is what, Ray? Here, omega square. This is r plus h. Okay, and this r plus h square here I am taking r plus h whole square is equal to gm here. Okay. Now this is power 1 now. 1 and 2 r plus h whole cube.
It becomes cube,
is equal to gm by omega square. Now omega is equal to 2 pi by t. Okay. Omega is equal to 2 pi by
yes,
t.
sir.
I am explaining, just wait. Omega is equal to 2 pi by t. So 1 by omega is equal to what, Ray? T by 2 pi, है ना?
Yes, sir.
And if I will square on both sides, what I am getting? T square by 4 pi square. Agree?
Yes, sir.
So this is gm into 1 by omega square na. So just gm and 1 by omega square value, what we got? T square divided by 4 pi square. Agree? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Now you understood?
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Note down now.
Completed, sir.
Any other doubt? Finished? Yes, Nisha,
Yes,
any
sir.
doubt?
No doubt, sir.
Okay. Shall I go to the next page?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, see what we got. R plus H whole cube. Bolo bolo. GM. Bolo into.
T square by 4 pi
T
square.
square by 4 pi square.
If we will take cube root on both sides, what we will get, Ray? R plus H is equal to GM T square by 4 pi square whole power 1 by 3. सही है ना? Yes, no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now, if we will substitute all these values, so if I want H now, what we will get? GM T square divided by 4 pi square whole power 1 by 3 and minus this is R. है ना? Like this you will get H value. So what is G value? G is what? Gravitational constant. What is the value? Bolo. 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11. Next क्या है? T. T क्या है? Time period of Earth. है कि नहीं? सही है नहीं है? कितना है टाइम पीरियड बोलो?
1 year.
24 hours.
24 आवर्स. उसके बाद यम क्या है? मास ऑफ अर्थ कितना है? 6 into 10 to the power 24. है कि नहीं? And R is radius of Earth, that is 6,400 kilometer. If you will substitute all the values, you will get around 36,000 kilometer. Okay. So what is G value? Where G is equal to 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. That is gravitational constant. M is mass of Earth. You can take nearly 6 into 10 to the power 24 kg. Next, T is equal to 24 into 3,600 seconds. Or R is what? Radius of Earth. That is 6,400 into 10 to the power 3 meter. If you will substitute all the value, we will get H. That is nearly equal to 36,000 kilometer. Understand? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sir, you
Yes.
told that. Sir, you told 36,000 as height of the orbit above the Earth's surface, sir.
Then above the Earth surface only, no? H value only I am telling, na?
Sir,
Yes, no?
but it could be somewhat no. The value increases. Sir. This is minimum height required for the commercial aircrafts to fly.
That depends wherever you want to launch for different purposes. Okay. ठीक है. Next condition, that is second point, that is orbit must lie in the equatorial plane of the Earth. Next point. What is the next point? The sense of revolution must be from west to east, है ना? Sense of revolution from west to east, as I shown you in the diagram. Yes. Next, time period. Time period is equal to how much ray? 24 hours, है ना? टाइम पीरियड कितना रहना चाहिए? 24 आवर्स। और उसके बाद एंगुलर वेलोसिटी अगर हम देखें तो कितना रहना चाहिए? 3.1 किलोमीटर पर सेकंड। ठीक है, ओके। These are the some conditions of geostationary satellite. Okay, कोई डाउट? Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Note down fast then.
Completed, sir.
Okay, let's go to the next page. And now uses of geostationary satellite. तो इसके यूजेस क्या क्या है आपको तो पता है ना? कैन यू टेल मी यूजेस? बोलो।
To know the changes in the atmosphere.
हाँ, यस। तो मैं लिख रहा हूं, देखो कुछ यूजेस लिख रहा हूं, नोट डाउन करो। स्टडी द अपर लेयर्स ऑफ द एटमॉस्फेयर। स्टडी द अपर लेयर्स ऑफ एटमॉस्फेयर। हाँ, यस निशा, राइट। टू नो द साइज एंड शेप ऑफ द अर्थ। यस, यस अनिरुद्ध। नेक्स्ट देखो, नेक्स्ट फोरकास्ट the changes in atmosphere. Next one, know the yes, know the size and shape of earth. Yes, good, है कि नहीं? नेक्स्ट देखो क्या है यूज? आइडेंटिफाई
Minerals and natural resources.
हाँ, यस, आइडेंटिफाई मिनरल्स एंड नेचुरल रिसोर्सेस।
Sir, sir, by its certain level of electromagnetic radiation, it helps in detecting the places where most of the earthquakes occur.
Yes, very good. So identify minerals and natural resources, है कि नहीं? Present inside or on the surface, है कि नहीं? Present inside or on the surface of earth. Next use देखो क्या है रे? ट्रांसमिट टीवी प्रोग्राम्स, है ना? ट्रांसमिट टीवी प्रोग्राम्स और longer distance. Next one, telecommunication purpose, है ना? So I think these are enough. Telecommunication. These are the some uses of this geostationary satellite. ठीक है, noted all the points.
Sir, 1 minute, sir. Noting.
हाँ, note down करो. Yes, finished.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's go to the next page. Now, next one, that is polar satellite. So first of all, let me draw the diagram. This is Earth, and this polar satellite will rotate or revolve in this plane. Okay. ठीक है. So first of all, what is the polar satellites? A satellite whose orbital plane is perpendicular to equatorial plane. इक्वेटोरियल प्लेन मीन्स कौन सा? ये वाला इक्वेटोरियल प्लेन है, और इस प्लेन को ये कैसे रहता है? परपेंडिकुलर। समझ में आया? ओके, क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, लो एल्टीट्यूड। ये जो सैटेलाइट्स होती है वो ज्यादा हाइट पे नहीं होती है, जैसे कि जियो स्टेशनरी रहती है ना, एज कंपेयर विद दैट इट इज having less height, so it is around 500 to 800 किलोमीटर। ठीक है, नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, इसका जो टाइम पीरियड होता है वो कितना होता है? अराउंड 100 मिनट्स ओनली। अंडरस्टैंड? जियो स्टेशनरी का 24 आवर्स रहता है, इसका 100 मिनट्स ओनली। द सैटेलाइट, दैट इज द पोलर सैटेलाइट, can view this polar regions as well as this equatorial regions with close distances with higher resolution, है ना? मतलब देखो, अगर हम ये सैटेलाइट की बात करें, जो जियो स्टेशनरी सैटेलाइट है, ये थोड़ी सी दूर है इक्वेटर से, इक्वेटोरियल रीजन से, लेकिन ये पोलर सैटेलाइट जो है वो इस इक्वेटोरियल रीजन के बहुत नजदीक से जाती है, क्योंकि इसका जो रेडियस है, जो हाइट है वो भी कम है, तो पोलर रीजन से भी नजदीक से ही जाती है ना, है कि नहीं? तो जो आपको रिजोल्यूशन मिलेगा, जो पिक्चर क्वालिटी मिलेगा, वो ज्यादा मिलेगा एज कंपेयर विद जियो स्टेशनरी सैटेलाइट। अंडरस्टूड? क्लियर है? द सैटेलाइट कैन व्यू polar and equatorial regions, polar and equatorial regions at close distances with good resolution. With good resolution. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, और एक पॉइंट आई विल ऐड, दैट इज व्हाट, ये जो पोलर सैटेलाइट्स है ना, ये कहां पे यूज होती हैं? रिमोट सेंसिंग मेट्रोलॉजी एज वेल एज इन्वायरमेंटल स्टडीज ऑफ अर्थ। आपको तो मालूम है, मेट्रोलॉजी मालूम है ना, टेम्परेचर चेंजेस, ऑल दिस थिंग्स, अपर लेयर्स, सब कुछ इसमें आता है। सो पोलर सैटेलाइट्स are extremely useful for remote sensing metrology as well as for environmental studies of earth। और ये रोटेट कैसे होते हैं? कैसे रोटेट होते हैं? नॉर्थ साउथ डायरेक्शन। ओके, नॉर्थ साउथ डायरेक्शन, या ऐसे वाले, ऐसे, ठीक नहीं? ठीक है, क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
हाँ,
Yes, sir.
अंडरस्टूड?
Yes, sir.
तो कल के क्लास में हम बाइनरी स्टार्स और बाइंडिंग एनर्जी करेंगे, इसके बाद ये चैप्टर खत्म, ठीक है?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Sir,
नोट
1 minute,
डाउन,
sir.
नोट डाउन फास्ट।
Completed, sir.
ओके, एवरीवन फिनिश्ड?
Sir, 1 minute, sir.
हाँ, ओके ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम। Okay then, let's stop here.